judges, there's a saying that practice makes perfect. But nobody's perfect, right? So I practice. Birds of the same feather make a good feather duster. Narito na naman ang babaeng inyong iniintay. Nga ba? Ang babaeng walang kadala-dala at ayaw padala. Kasi join pa rin ang join kahit nalulos. Because my yaya told me that if there's linaga, there's a bow. But you know, don't believe with my yaya because she's a loser. I'm not going. I'm not living without you. And you, and you, and you, you're gonna love me. I'm 19 years old from Santolan, Pasig City. Santolan Station, LRT2. This train is up to Recto. Na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, let's plant a tree and save our planet. Thank you.
And now welcome your third batch, starting with Miss Singapore. Walang himala! Bata man o matanda, may ngipin o wala. Kising 24 oras. Dahil hindi natutulog ang balita. At sa ulo ng mga nagbabagang balita, bakla, tumanggi sa tagay, tepo. Minoles niya ang isang minor de edad. Presinto ang bagsak. Senihan sa Cubao ni Ray. Mga bakla pinagdadampot. At dinala sa Kalingal. Magbasa ng horoscope para alamin ang inyong kapalaran. Malay ko, ikaw yun. Good evening. My name is Alta Cinema Double Picture. Parenthesis under new management. Close parenthesis. Opens 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. First come, first serve basis. No reservation needed. Taken. Dahil sa pagpasok mo pa lang, standing ovation na. Bakit kanyo? Dahil lahat ng upuan sira na. Hanap ko ngayong gabi ang apat na element. Ang apoy, tubig, hangin, at ang tanging ina nito. Merong dalawang paraan, double blade o doble kara sa paghahanap o pagprotektan ng ating Mother Earth. Una, ang hangin na ating binubuga na kinakailangan ng halaman o carbon dioxide. Halip naman, ang halaman ay nagbibigay ng oxygen na ating nilalanghap. Ito ay ang give and take process na sa madaling salita, 69. Ang pangalawa ang ice cycle process na kung saan isa-isa ay nagdudugtong-dugtong o pwede natin tawagin cadena de amor. Sa madaling salita, orgy. Malaking ginhawa, diba? Magic, wow! Sing! Singapore!
Miss Trinidad and Tobago.
Just to let you know that my father is a high-ranking military official who taught me how to become strong, to be firm and gentle. But despite of that, I wish to become a beauty queen. So for tonight, allow me to title it myself a little bit sexy, alluring, beautiful. This is Maria Olga Mendez, and I'm very much proud to represent my country. From the Calypso state that's still bad, the two happy islands of Trinidad and Tobago, saying, sit back, relax, and watch out for the falling debris. Ooh la la.
Miss Ukraine. It's Miss Turkey.
I strongly believe that contentment is not always the fulfillment of what you want. Hence, it's the realization of how blessed we are for what we have. And for me, I am truly blessed and truly thankful because I have my friends and my families who's been there for me supporting through thick and thin. A glorious evening to each and every one, or should I say Maya Pabenge kay Kaungan, to my fellow Kapampangan, and to my fellow Ilocanos na ibag na labig Rakiwamin, or should I say magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you is Ms. Lanaya Kawangko, a 21-year-old stunner with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management in one of the most prestigious universities in the country, which is ang Pamantasan ng Luzon ng Maynila. But for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, please do allow me to stand and represent my country with this. Nawala ako. Ayan, natawa kayong lahat. Thank you very much. And I am very proud to represent my country from the land where Ilmas Bectas was born and Rufa Gutierrez was being to Boogie Wonderland. True. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very proud to represent my country, Istanbul, Turkey. But before I leave this corner of this stage, I would like to give you my last message. Welcome to my coronation night. Thank you.